Good morning. My name is Ayun. In this moment, I would like to present journal article presentation entitled Students' Participation on Speaking Online Class or a case study. So, pay your attention please. In introduction, university students who take English as their major will learn various subjects to support their English skill, such as speaking, writing, reading, listening, and many more. One of the interesting class for them is speaking class. However, not all the students have self-confidence to speak English in front of the class or to their classmates. Other problems on speaking English thus are: number 1, inadequate vocabulary knowledge. Number 2, grammar as a stumbling block. Number 3, fear of negative response from others. Number 4, low self-esteem to speak in English. And number 5, feeling anxious to speak in English. Pandemic is not over yet, and online class still become the choice for the learning and teaching process. The online class tends to have the same problems. One of them is the lack of student participation. Online class during the pandemic created some problems such as anxiety, stress, and depression among the university students. In the research, because the learning process were done in virtual without physical movement, the mental illness such as depression, anxiety, and stress were triggered. In the method, this study was aimed to uncover the factors which affect the students' participation in online class, especially in speaking class. Research design. This study used a qualitative method to analyze the research question. This study includes a qualitative research because it was relying on the collection of the qualitative data. The data was collected from the interviews and questionnaires filled by the second and fourth semester students of Language and Culture Faculty Untak Semarang University. Subject of study. There were 28 respondents in this study, and they were asked to fulfill a questionnaire containing 10 questions and answer 5 other questions in an interview. The respondents were the students of semester 2 and 4 of the Language and Culture Faculty of Untak Semarang. Instruments. This research collected the data from events, respondents, and documents. The event referred to the process of the implementation of teaching speaking online. The respondents referred to the lecture and the students of semester 2 and 4 of the Language and Culture Faculty of Untak Semarang. The documents were the speaking materials from the lecture, the questionnaire sheet, and the video of discussion section in speaking class. Data analysis. The writers used an interactive model of analysis that includes 3 main components, namely the reduction of the data, the display of the data, and conclusion or verification. In this system, the writers always move among 3 analyzed components during the data. Findings and discussion. Figure 2. Student participation in class discussion. In question number 1, it has been asked how often the student participate in class discussion. The answer from question number 1 can be seen from figure 2. 75% of the student always participate in class discussion, and only 25% of the students sometimes participate in class discussion. On the other hand, based on the observation data, which was taken from interviewing the lectures, there are less than 75% students who always participate in class discussion voluntarily. The other students want to participate if the lecturer asks them to speak. Number 3. Graded on the participation. In the figure, it can be seen that 92.9% of the students understand that their participation is being graded. Referring to the data, the ideal class situation will be very active with the students' participation in class discussion. However, the data also show that there are 71% respondents who did not aware of this crucial information. Figure 4. Rejection to participation. In the figure, we can see that 64.3% of the students never choose not to participate in class discussion because it will be graded. But 25% of the students sometimes choose to participate in class discussion. 71% students rarely participate, and 36% or one student said that he or she never participates. Figure 5. Reluctance. Reluctance becomes one of the factors that affect the respondents' participation. 35.7% said that they rarely feel reluctance to participate, and 25% said sometimes. However, 39.3% said that they are never reluctant to participate. Figure C. The reason why the students don't participate. In the figure, it is found out that 60% of the respondents choose not to participate in speaking class because they were worried of making mistakes. The other half of the respondents gave their answer under 3 different reasons as follows. 71% said they did not get a chance to participate. 36% or one respondent said that she or he did not like the lesson, and 39.3% said they never skipped to participate. Figure 7. The reason why students want to participate in class discussion. In the figure, 85.7% of the respondents state that they participate in speaking class because they realized that it was for their own good. Figure 8. Boredoms during the class. It has been asked whether students are feeling bored during class. The number of those who answered rarely and sometimes is almost equal, and those who answered never comes next. Figure 9. The students' awareness about the importance of using English in daily life. The awareness is shown by the 71.5% of respondents who state that they strongly agree with this statement. If we want to speak other language fluently, we have to participate in it. Figure 10. Speaking English in the daily life. In the figure, 67% of the respondents say that sometimes speak English in their daily life, but 32.1% say that rarely do that. Meanwhile, only 7.1% of the respondents say that they always speak English in their daily life, which is a very small number of out 100%. Figure 11. Internet issues. In the figure, only 7.1% out of the 28 respondents have never had a problem related to the internet. The biggest number is shown that the issues come up sometimes for 40 to 9% out of the respondents. The second biggest number, that is 35.7%, can be seen on the yellow part. That is the number of the respondents who rarely have internet issues. The number of respondents who always have internet issue is 14.3%. In conclusion, some technical issues come up in the online class such as internet connection, students' contribution, and students' condition affected the online teaching and learning process. Some students like to communicate offline rather than online, because users can communicate by saying each other gesture and body language so that they can focus more on the communication itself and forget about technical issues caused by digital technology. And thank you for your attention.